This year alone, I have sold over $1 million worth of homes, January through June, with my GoPro. I'm talking about clients that I've never met before until the closing table. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how exactly I'm able to sell homes using a GoPro. Let's get it. Hey guys, how you doing? This is Sascha Chatman here with Chatman Realty Group. And as you know, I'm an agent here on the north side of Fort Worth. I serve all of DFW. I have an awesome team that I run here, and I'm an EXP agent. Now, I'm a tech head, okay? I'm an extreme tech head when it comes to doing real estate and real estate technology. I believe in being efficient. To that end, I've tapped into something awesome. Okay, I see a lot of homes through video, and it's sort of getting to the point that like, okay, I really need to make a video about this, about how to sell homes with a video. All right. First things first, let's talk about the client. What client are you actually looking for? Well, for me, I go back and I look for clients that need to move here to Texas, and I look at the research where they're moving from. Right now, California, Tennessee. We get quite a few from Jersey, which is kind of weird, but you know, and once you come to Texas, you don't have to shovel sunshine. I get it. So what I'll do is I'll run an ad, or sometimes they just come to me through my Facebook or YouTube channel. And I like, okay, they're like, I want to get started. I want to get going. Like, when? So I qualify them like any other lead. And at that point, I'm realizing like with the coronavirus, people can't travel. So they put their house buying on hold. I'm like, wait a minute. I can bring the houses to you. And I do it very detailed. So let's talk about that. What exactly am I showing? So I walk up and I show them the home, okay? So they really love the fact that they can actually see the house as they're walking through it. I make sure I show details like the AC unit. I show the closet space, the things that mean a lot. I point out the issues inside the home so we're not wasting our time from that perspective. So they really get the opportunity to see what that house is actually going to look and feel like. Now, camera's everything, all right? Can you use your iPhone? I'm going to get that question. So let's go and address that now. Yes, you can. I do it all the time. I do use my iPhone, okay? So real quick, let's talk about the video. It needs to be stable, okay? Hence, the camera has to be stable or some type of stabilizer. Here's my journey, okay? This is a Ulunazi, put it right here, okay? This is a Ulunazi handheld gimbal, if you will. So when I first started doing video, I would do like this, and I walk through with this thing here, and very slowly, but you know, you shake a little bit. So it wasn't as nice and tight and crispy. So you got that going on. The next step in my evolution was using a GoPro gimbal, okay? This is my original GoPro. I think it's like the GoPro 5 or whatever. And you can see it's a gimbal that is going to keep it stable from that perspective. And I use this. And this is the Karma Grip, and it works with any GoPro Hero series, if you will. And it works pretty good. I had this when I was coaching, and I used it for my Little League basketball and football games. And now I started using it for real estate. So that's pretty good. What I did not like about it was the file size getting from GoPro. Okay, that was a big problem with the old cameras. It still can be a bit of a problem now, but hence I use this. Okay. Next up was the phone gimbal. Okay. So this one here, this is the DVI 3, I believe it is. And it's actually pretty good. You know, it's going to keep it level from this perspective, and it creates a very smooth video. So here's the dealio. I do like this one, okay? So this was actually pretty cool. I still use this one from time to time. When it looks right with the lighting and the angle, sometimes the GoPro is just much better than what I can get from my iPhone here. As you can see, I have the new iPhone, and just sometimes it just doesn't work out the way I want it. I actually prefer to use the phone because I can then upload these videos to BombBomb and just go and run with it. But hence, it doesn't always give me the lighting that I want to see inside of a home. You know, you got a vacant home, it's empty, you know, that you want to be able to show the clients everything. And I don't want to be walking around with this camera here, and at the same time, I'm trying to walk around with my light like this and all that stuff like that. It looks bad in the video sometimes. So hence, I don't do that all the time. Which brings me to where I am today. Okay, so this here is my GoPro 7. I just told you guys I absolutely love it. I have it on the GoPro extension pole like this, so I can easily go in and out and do all that. And here's the deal. I don't have to worry about lugging all the rest of this stuff around because this thing has a built-in stabilizer. Okay, the GoPro 7 and 8 are awesome. I might end up getting the 8 just because I want to. But this thing, I'm telling you, the video is awesome. The lighting is good. One thing that they fixed with the camera was the audio. I used to have to do this here, where I created this rig that I had to go buy and get everything kind of put in together. So my mic here, which that is a Rode mic, shotgun mic to pick up my audio to go in here with my old cameras here. But when I got the GoPro 7, that went away. So hence, all I really need is just this buddy here. So what I do is this. I go in, I get the listings that my client wants to see, and I go quickly in and I get the home recorded. Okay, and I get it set up and I record it without a problem whatsoever, and then I send it to them in a bomb video, and so they can actually watch it. And I'm off to the next house, and I record it, upload again, next house, next house, next house. Legitimately, guys, I will knock out 5 of these videos, homes that I know my clients want to see, and obviously because I'm in them, I can move faster than have my clients with me, send it to them in real time, basically, and have them react, and I'm writing the offer. Okay, this past weekend, I put a young man and his wife under contract. I showed them 4 homes. Okay, showed them 4 homes in like 2 hours. Boom, sent over $350,000 home. Bam! Just like that. Just like that. So, there's lots of ways of doing this. And you should give, GoPro a try. Or some type of camera. You could do the exact same thing. If you have the will to do it and you actually shoot a really good video, there you go. All right. At this point, I've got 4 transactions that I closed because of just using my little GoPro here. Okay. And that's up to $1 million. And I got another one under contract right now as we speak. And that's $350,000. So people are moving here. If you're watching this and you're a buyer and you want to be able to experience a home before you even get here, I'll bring it to you. And that's what makes me different than any other agent out there. Okay, I know I do the most, but the most gets results. Guys, I appreciate you watching all the way to the end. No, I do not get paid by GoPro to do this. There's no sponsorship or anything like that. I just like their products and it works out for me. And I want to be able to bring this message to you to show you how you can sell houses totally different. Okay, this could be a niche for somebody. Okay, it's not gonna be my everything, but I'm really good in doing it. So if you are interested in getting into real estate and you're watching this video, or you are in real estate and you're trying to figure out how to do this thing better and get it going, give me a call. My number's down below. You can reach me at any point in time, or you can go down in the description and click a link in the description to schedule a one-on-one with me. I'd love to talk shop with you, see if I can coach you up. And hey, maybe you want to come over and try out EXP. It's all good. All right. Guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Peace.